This motorhome is the top of the range from HYMER. It is the i880. It will cost €200,000. It measures 899 centimeters long, 235 centimeters wide. It offers 198 centimeters of standing room inside. I'm going to show it to you in under 3 minutes. So, top of the range, this one's got a German bed layout. It also comes with a queen bed layout. This layout here offers storage all the way around. We've got USBs, shore power, plenty of plugs in this vehicle, including at the back next to the bed, or next to the where you leave your head. Wardrobe under here. Got storage on the other side. We've got another wardrobe in here, and there's another wardrobe over there as well. Lots and lots of storage, as you'd expect in a 9-meter motorhome. This area here can be closed to make a dressing room. So sink, shower, and over here we've got the toilet, so you can get an idea of what the dressing room actually looks like. Up there we've got aircon, and as you can see, I can close myself off in here completely should I want to. On the left we've got a kitchen here, 3 burners, stacks of space around it, and stacks of storage beneath it, including these pull-out pantries. On the other side, we've got another wardrobe, we've got a grill, we've got a freezer, we've got a fridge, doors that open both ways. Under here, we've got a television, we've got a large seating group, we've got an extra bed over there, so it'll sleep 4 people in the vehicle. It's on a Mercedes basis. And let's now have a look around the outside, seeing of course the sink before we leave, and of course the mirror, which is here. Here we have a very large garage that can take 350 kilos of weight in there, and we have additional storage possibilities on this side as well. And there we have the gas. It's got a double floor, plenty of storage in the double floor. So if you'd like to see a video more detailed, then there's a link below. Thanks for watching.